Action cameras and drones have become essential tools for creators, travelers, and adrenaline seekers. Every year, companies like GoPro and DJI push the limits of what's possible, blending rugged design with cutting-edge technology. Right now, the spotlight is onto highly anticipated products, the GoPro Max 2 and the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Both are shaping up to be game-changing devices that promise sharper visuals, better stabilization, smarter design, and new features that directly address the frustrations of users. Let's dive deep into what we know, what's been leaked, and why these two pieces of gear are stirring up so much excitement. The GoPro Max 2, a new era for 360-degree action cameras. For years, GoPro has been the go-to brand for capturing heart-pounding moments. Whether strapped to a helmet during a climb, mounted on a surfboard, or attached to a mountain bike, GoPros have become synonymous with action-packed content. The GoPro Max introduced 360-degree capture to this legacy, but now fans are eagerly waiting for its successor, the GoPro Max 2. Enthusiasts are impatient. Forums, social media groups, and tech blogs have been buzzing with speculation about when the Max 2 will finally hit the market. According to leaks, this camera isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's expected to redefine the category. Design and build quality images of climbers scaling snowy ridges with a GoPro strapped to their helmets embody what this device is made for: rugged adventures. The Max 2 is rumored to feature a sleeker yet tougher design. Waterproofing and weather resistance are expected, allowing the camera to survive rain, snow, dust, and even powerful water sprays. One leaked image even showed the camera being blasted by what looked like a fire hose, a clear demonstration of just how durable it will be. With rumored waterproofing down to 10 meters without additional housing, this is a significant step forward in making the camera truly ready for any environment. Replaceable lenses, a major breakthrough. One of the biggest frustrations with action cameras has always been lens damage. A scratched or cracked lens often meant expensive repairs or even replacing the whole unit. GoPro appears to have solved this with the Max 2. Teaser materials suggest that the camera will come with replaceable lenses. This means users can swap out a damaged lens on the fly, continuing their adventure without missing key moments. For action shooters who can't predict what will happen next, this is a huge stress reliever. Cooling system innovation. One of the biggest technical challenges with high-resolution recording is overheating. Cameras often shut down mid-shoot, leaving users frustrated. The GoPro Max 2 tackles this problem in an inventive way. Leaks reveal that the camera has not one but two independent heat sinks, one for each image sensor. They're completely separate, ensuring that each sensor gets its own cooling treatment. To take things further, even the camera mount itself doubles as a heat sink. This clever design spreads heat out through the body and the mount, enabling longer uninterrupted shooting sessions. This approach could be revolutionary. Imagine a marathon runner, each with their own air conditioner, able to keep running for longer. That's essentially what GoPro is doing for its sensors. For users, it means fewer interruptions and the ability to shoot longer, high-quality clips without worrying about sudden shutdowns, stabilization, and image quality. If there's one feature that separates professional-looking footage from amateur clips, it's stabilization. Early leaks hint that the Max 2 could come with significantly improved stabilization algorithms, capable of handling rapid movements without creating nausea-inducing shakes. Whether you're mountain biking down steep trails or riding a roller coaster, your footage is expected to remain smooth and cinematic. Resolution is another major highlight. The original Max capped out at around 5.6K. The Max 2, however, is rumored to jump to 8,000 resolution, potentially with higher frame rates. For 360-degree video creators, this is massive. Higher resolution means sharper details even after reframing and cropping. In practice, it means content will look crisper across social media, VR headsets, or even large displays. Accessories and grip. Another intriguing element from leaks is the camera's grip. Early photos show a textured, sturdy handle that looks like more than just a stick. Speculation suggests it could double as a battery, a tripod, or even an invisible selfie stick with enhanced stabilization. GoPro accessories have always been an important part of the brand's ecosystem, and this new grip looks like it was designed to take things further. A sidekick, not a replacement. One of the more interesting points from leaked promotional images is how the Max 2 is positioned. In one shot, someone is seen holding the Max 2 while also wearing a traditional GoPro on their helmet. This suggests that GoPro doesn't expect the Max 2 to replace standard models like the Hero line. Instead, it's meant to complement them, acting as the perfect companion for capturing wide views, behind-the-scenes shots, and fresh creative angles. The DJI Mini 5 Pro redefining the ultralight drone category. While GoPro dominates the action camera world, DJI has taken over the skies with its drones. Lightweight, portable, and packed with advanced features, the Mini series has been particularly popular with hobbyists and travelers. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the next big thing in this lineup, and leaks have sent the drone community into a frenzy. Familiar yet smarter designed Mini 5 Pro continues DJI's trend of building small drones that are easy to carry but capable of professional-grade performance. Early images show a design that is familiar but slightly refined. Subtle changes point to better aerodynamics and perhaps improved durability. Clip-on propellers, a fan favorite, returns in detail that has thrilled fans is the return of clip-on propellers. Previous Mini models required screws, which many users found inconvenient, especially after crashes or while traveling. With the Mini 5 Pro, you simply click the propellers into place, saving time and frustration. This small change addresses a long-standing complaint and makes the drone far more user-friendly. Camera and image quality. The camera is where things get really exciting. The Mini 5 Pro is said to include a new 1-inch sensor with confirmed specs of E24 f1.8. This means better low-light performance, greater dynamic range, and higher quality images overall. On top of that, DJI is introducing a range of ND filters specifically designed for this sensor, including NATE, ND16, and ND128. For creators aiming for cinematic footage, these filters will help achieve smooth, professional-looking motion even in bright conditions. Skeptics wonder if the Mini 5 Pro can match the quality of DJI's higher-end drones like the Mavic 4. While it may not reach the absolute top tier, the improvements suggest it's getting much closer. Endurance and flight time. Perhaps the most jaw-dropping leak relates to flight time. Packaging for the Fly More combo shows 52 minutes by 3. This suggests that each of the 3 included batteries can provide up to 52 minutes of flight under ideal conditions. That's more than 2.5 hours of airtime in one bundle, a huge leap from previous generations. Travelers, vloggers, and pilots who need long sessions will find this a game changer. Pricing and availability. Like pricing details suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will start at €614 for the drone alone with a standard 37-minute battery. A kit including the RC controller is expected at €742. The Fly More combo will cost €922 with a 37-minute battery, while a premium version with 3 52-minute batteries will come in at €986. The official launch date has been set for September 16, 2025. Even better, FCC filings confirm that the Mini 5 Pro is coming to the US market, despite ongoing logistical challenges. Customs enforcement and supply chain issues might cause delays, but DJI has reassured users that it has no plans to leave the US market. Smarter Control. Earthy Drones bundle includes the DJI RC controller with a built-in display. This eliminates the need to connect a smartphone, simplifying the setup process and reducing distractions. Pilots can now focus entirely on flying without worrying about juggling devices. Why these releases matter. But the GoPro Max 2 and the DJI Mini 5 Pro reflect a clear trend in consumer tech. Companies are listening to users. Instead of releasing minor cosmetic updates, these devices directly address long-standing frustrations. GoPro's replaceable lenses solve a real problem for adventure seekers, while its innovative cooling design could allow creators to shoot longer sessions without interruptions. On the other hand, DJI's return to clip-on propellers and the introduction of powerful new filters shows attention to detail. Long flight times combined with pro-level accessories position the Mini 5 Pro as a serious tool for both hobbyists and professionals. Final thoughts. GoPro Max 2 and the DJI Mini 5 Pro are shaping up to be two of the most exciting product launches of 2025. Each device caters to a different kind of adventure, one rooted on the ground and the other soaring in the skies, but both share the same goal: empowering creators to capture stunning, immersive experiences with greater ease and reliability. For action junkies, vloggers, and professionals alike, the message is clear. The tools are getting better, smarter, and more durable. The only question now is, what epic story will you capture first?